All right, today we're going to learn how to cook ginger and a red date syrup. You used to ask me how to cook it, right? Always,
yes,
I cook for you.
I still don't know how to cook it, so yes.
All right, so right in front of you, these are the ingredients. Can you recognize what
These are all three ginger, the different types of ginger.
Ginger roots, right? Yes, I got it today in the supermarket. I was going to get all organic ones, but this is the only pack they have, and so that's why I grabbed the one regular ones. The common question people have usually is what are the ratio? How much ginger? How much should I put in the soup? I say it really depends. If you use the organic one compared to this one, I would prefer use this one, and they're much stronger. Although they don't look as pretty as this type of a ginger.
So you need less of the organic.
Mm-hmm.
You need the other ones.
And this part was a gift from my friend, Fang, you met yesterday. And she brought from China. This was the dried ginger. It was summer lasting midsummer. So this has a much strong flavor compared to it's a fresh ginger, so we call it a dried ginger. So
okay,
if you could get,
can you get that at the Asian market?
I will ask. I never tried to ask,
but
but midsummer we can prepare some dried ginger, and for the rest of the year, just get more organic ones and put them in the sun. And the second major ingredient is the red dates. You can see the package. Okay. It doesn't have to be this type of package, but you can see the character called red dates. And it looks like this. It's different from the Costco, what Costco already processed.
Oh, okay.
This type, I need to look it up what they're called, but it's already edible.
So we shouldn't use the Costco one?
No, not this. It should be like people sell on Amazon. And, this type of the size, some can be small, and this is a big size. All Asian markets, they carry these different types of the. Oh yes, this is called the dried jujube, but Costco is the one edible, ready to eat. That jujube, that one is not recommended. We want this kind of the dry, just like this dried ginger. Okay, dried. And the third one is called the longon. You probably wonder what is this. This is the fruit. Look like sort of like lychee, but it's different, still different type. Spelling is Longon. If you go to the Asian market and ask the sales associate, and they will help you to find from the shelf, and sometimes it is in the refrigerated area. Okay, it's a dried, very very hard, but this is already cooked. Red dates, ginger, and the longan after cooked. See, it's very similar, just like the lychee. They're sweet. The natural flavor comes directly from these three ingredients. This gives you a spicy, hot taste, and these are two sweet. In this, and we call energy drink, we emphasize to have this because they supplement the blood, and they supplement the qi. So they enhance the qi and the blood circulation, which is why we always encourage people to replace the regular water with this ginger red date soup.
Can you reuse this then, or?
I do. Everything is edible. Some of my friends, they would put this ginger in this porridge, and you can eat. You actually like a nut. Right now, I eat this longan, and the red dates also taste very good. Right? It's very soft. You can eat it.
Yeah, I noticed the skin though doesn't taste so good.
You can spit out. You can spit out of the skin, but the inside is very yummy.
Yeah,
brings these red dates and get it prepared.
So how many red dates do I need?
Doesn't matter. I usually do about soak in the water for a while because there's a much bigger size compared to some small size red dates.
It's cold water.
That's cold water, yes. A lot of people at the beginning would be wondering how much ginger should they use. Again, it depends. Depends whether it's organic or not organic. Sherry just noticed. What did you notice?
The coloring's different between the organic and the non-organic.
Non-organic is much bigger, right?
Yeah, the non-organic.
This is the organic one.
The organic's more yellow.
Yeah, the color is much darker too. So if you use organic ones, I had this small package. I use all of them, and personally because I like the strong flavor, and I can tolerate to the spice, so I use a lot. And usually I use a lot of ginger. To those people who has a lot of cold and dampness in their body, you can even you can put them all of them. It'll be fine too. As some people also add some brown sugar to neutralize the flavor. That's it. But the natural sweetness will be eventually brought out by the red dates and sherry. Now you can put this on the stove.
Okay, well, when do we add the longon?
This I will wait until we high heat to the low heat. And then we'll wait till this water is boiled, and then I will add the longon into it.
Okay, so we put this on the stove on high heat.
High heat, yes.
Okay. You go this way. All right.
Okay, let's wait for a few minutes. The soup is now boiling, so Sherry, you can.
Okay, so I'm going to turn it down to low.
Yes, turn down to the low. Right.
So we add it right now?
Yes.
Ooh, a little hot. Okay, there's no need to stir it or anything.
No, you just let it boil at least 30 minutes. Okay. Well, in the past 30 minutes, Sherry went to Lajin, both legs, right, on the Lajin bench.
Right.
And this was on a low heat, more like two, simmer for about a half hour.
Just scoop it out and put it in a cup.
Try it. See. I didn't add any brown sugar in it, so it just.
It's hot.
You'll get used to it.
It's good.
Sweet?
A little bitter.
Little
Just
bitter.
a little bitter. Yeah.
Remember, this cup has some dried ginger.
Oh, that's right.
It's pretty much very strong.
But still good.
So at home, you can try your homemade ginger soup, just like this. Very organic, right?
Yes.
The one you got from Costco Jujube, that's in the plastic container, which is I don't recommend to use it because that is a processed food. Okay, it's not a fresh. We want to start from the scratch, the raw material.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I'll be able to make this now.
It's easy, right?
It looks pretty easy, yeah.
Just let them. You don't even need to take care of it after it's boiled.
And then I can use it multiple days.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Some people will actually keep it in the refrigerator, and before drinking, just warm it up.
Okay.